Well, can you guess an ingredient which is black in color, is sweet, helps to boost immunity, regulate blood sugar and blood pressure? Yes, we are talking about jamun. Also, we have a lot of benefits of mango, like it promotes eye health, lowers cholesterol, clears the skin and aids in weight loss. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are going to make Rakhi special recipe, mango and Jamun Gnocchi with fig thin syrup. Hope you will like it. Ingredients for gnocchi. So here we will be using jamun, some sliced mangoes, all-purpose flour, grated sugar and water. Now we will be preparing gnocchi's dough with these two pulps, that is mango pulp and jamun pulp. So we have prepared these two dough. One is the jamun dough, in which I have used a little bit of grated sugar, a pinch of salt for taste. In mango dough we don't use any external sweetener. Now refrigerate it for 30 minutes. So I have prepared these two doughs, and while preparing the dough I have also used wheat flour and some baking soda and semolina in it to give it a twist. Other option can be, or alternative can be, to use a rice flour. So after that I made small balls, and now I am making gnocchi of different shapes out of it. So now I'm going to make a design gnocchi. So you can see just like this. You can design it like this, and in case of mango you can just use your just like this, give it a little bit of impression, finger impression. So these are the gnocchis that I have prepared. Now we will going to boil it. Now I'm going to add the jamun gnocchi for boiling. You can add it by piece. See the color, it's very refreshing. You can see that. Now I'm going to add the mango gnocchis to the boiling water. To check whether the gnocchis are fully boiled, you can use a fork and prick it just like this, and you can check it out that it's clean. So this means that these are boiled. Now we are going to toss gnocchi with the olive oil and rosemary. So I'm just going to add a little bit of rosemary in the olive oil, and I'm going to add the jamun gnocchis in it. I'm going to stir it. Now I'm going to add rosemary to the 1 tablespoon olive oil. Now I'm adding the mango gnocchi to it. Now stir it for 1 to 2 minutes and then keep it aside. So this is the finally prepared gnocchi after stir frying it. Ingredients for fig thin syrup: almonds, figs, cloves, sugar, rosemary, lemon and water. Now we are going to flavorize the almonds with rosemary. Now I'm adding some rosemary on the top of it. I have used half teaspoon of clarified butter, and this will give a good aromatic flavor of rosemary to the almonds, which will be used as a stuffing for figs. Now I'm going to stuff the fig with the roasted almonds. So I'm going to stuff 2 almonds in each fig similarly. So I have stuffed all the figs with almonds. Now we will make a thin fig syrup. Hi, so now we are making thin fig sauce. So I am using 1 bowl of water. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now after heating for 25 seconds, I am adding 4 cloves to it. Now a secret ingredient, which is lemon zest, to boost its flavor and which is healthy for our own immunity. So you can use 1 lemon or half lemon zest as per your own taste. I'm grating it. So after adding lemon zest, now cover the pan for 15 minutes. Now plating. I have used the Jamun Gnocchi over here. Then I have put the mango gnocchi over here, and inside the vacant space I have used the syrup, the thin syrup which is made from figs, and here I have used the figs which are stuffed with the almonds, and here is the jamun reduction and the mango reduction. Food for thought. So on the occasion of Rakhi, this dish is dedicated to all brothers and sisters as a token of love. Happy Rakhi to all. So a quick recap. Ingredients for gnocchi. Here we have used 20 jamun, 1 mango, grated sugar, all-purpose flour, wheat flour, semolina, pinch of baking powder, pinch of salt, water and rosemary. Preparation of tight dough. For jamun gnocchi, here we have used half bowl of preparation of jamun dough. So here we have used 2 tablespoon of wheat flour, 2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of semolina, a pinch of baking powder, pinch of salt, jamun pulp and 1 teaspoon of grated sugar. Preparation: all-purpose for mango dough, all-purpose flour 2 tablespoon wheat flour, 1 teaspoon semolina, 1 tablespoon semolina, 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. After mixing this, kindly refrigerate the dough for 30 minutes and then cut the dough and shape of it in the small balls, and then further shape it with the help of fork and finger. Then separately boil it, and after boiling, strain water and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Saute with the olive oil and rosemary separately. Ingredients of thin stuffed fig syrup. So here we have used 6 figs, 12 almonds, 4 cloves, water, sugar 2.5 tablespoons, half lemon and lemon zest. Preparation: heat the pan and add 1 bowl of water and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cloves and half lemon. After few minutes, add figs and cover it for 15 minutes at slow flame. Then thin stuffed fig syrup is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Happy Rakhi once again.